Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com, and one of our customers wants to know, can vinyl plank flooring be installed over ceramic tile? And that's the subject of this video. It's a great question. But before I jump into that, I do want to tell you a little bit about this Ask the Flooring Pro video series that we're hosting on our website at BestRugPrices.com. We get asked questions every single day about floor covering. It could be product questions, something about carpet or ceramic tile or hardwood or area rugs. You name it, we get asked the product questions. It could be cleaning and maintenance tips. It could be budgeting. It could be how much does something cost. We just get asked tons of questions. So what we decided to do is we've made a list of all these questions, and we're making little videos on each one. And then we're hosting them on our website at bestrugprices.com. At the top of the page, you'll see a section called Ask the Flooring Pro. And if you click on that, you're going to see all the questions that we've made videos about. And our goal is that you could use this page as a resource tool for yourself. So if you have a flooring project you're looking to try to do, or you're wondering how much something costs, or you have a problem, or whatever the question may be that you're struggling with, you can go to our site and our page and scan down the list of questions, and hopefully we have a question that'll give you an answer. So that's what we're doing, and the topic of this particular video is, can vinyl plank flooring be installed over ceramic tile? So if you've ever gone into a local floor covering store recently, you've probably noticed that a good percentage of their retail floor space is dedicated to vinyl plank flooring and vinyl tile. And the reason that is because it's extremely popular across the country right now. It's probably one of the fastest, if not the fastest growing product in the floor covering world. And retail stores know that, and they're going to dedicate a good percentage of their retail space to vinyl plank flooring because it is so popular. And the reason it's popular, there's a lot of different reasons, but for one, it's waterproof. You can put it in any room in the house. It's easy to install, and nowadays the way they make the product with the different widths boards and the styles and the colors, they're just beautiful products. So it's a great product that people can get at an affordable price. And one of the questions that we get, like I said, we get asked all the time is, I've got this on the floor now, but I want to put vinyl plank down. It's affordable product, but am I going to have to pay an arm and a leg to rip up all the ceramic that's in my bathroom or in my kitchen? And so the answer to the question is, you can go over ceramic tile with vinyl plank flooring as long as the ceramic tile that's on the floor now isn't, for one, it has to be in good shape. You can't have a floor that's got a bunch of chunks taken out of the tile, or if it's uneven, if there's big bumps on the tile. The other thing is, your grout lines have to be, relatively small and smooth. You can't have, big open areas. The floor just has to be in good shape. But to answer the question of can you install vinyl plank flooring over ceramic tile, the answer is absolutely yes, you can. And that's one of the benefits of a product like vinyl plank flooring, is because you can save so much money on installation. If you don't have to tear out your ceramic floor and you can just go right over it, then it's going to save you a lot of money on the installation end. Now, having said that, doing something like this is not for the do-it-yourself beginner. So, I mean, if you're a handy person around the house and you know what you're doing, then you can, have a weekend project and do something like this. But if you're trying to install vinyl plank for the first time to save money and you want to go over your ceramic floor, my opinion is you're better off to get a flooring professional involved and have them come out and look at your project and see what they think. And by the way, most places around the country with floor covering, stores, will come out and give you a free estimate. It's not like a lot of other trades. I mean, you can get a flooring professional out to your house for free usually and have them look at the project and then get opinions from them. But there's a lot of things you need to consider when installing that vinyl plank over another floor. And so, if you know what you're doing, great. If you're a novice to stuff like this, the answer to the question is you can definitely go over other floors, especially ceramic tile, but you need to get a professional out to take a look at it. So I hope that answers your question. I hope it helps. Again, this Ask the Flooring Pro video series is on our website at bestrugprices.com. We'd love for you to come check it out and let us know what you think. Thanks.